Welcome to Oak Country Buildings Ltd, a family business based in Warwickshire. In this video, we will share with you our facilities, give you a guide to our services, and show you how, as general builders specialising in oak frame construction, with our own joinery workshop and spray shop, we may be uniquely placed to assist you with your next oak frame project. Based on Avon Industrial Estate, off Butler's Leap in Rugby, we have two oak framing yards, a full 144 square metre joinery workshop, in addition to a second workshop for factory finishing, which includes a timber spray shop with drying room and separate glazing and finishing area. With a directly employed team of 15 skilled tradesmen, we are able to oversee and undertake almost all aspects of your project in-house, from start to completion, offering a true turnkey solution for your project. So, let's take an oak framed new build house as an example. Our building team will set out your site and undertake your excavations and foundations. This means that there is no handing over of project responsibilities between different companies. Our office team will then produce construction drawings for the oak frame, which are used by our highly skilled carpenters to traditionally manufacture the oak frame components for your project and prepare them with traditional joints. In our framing yards, we undertake a dry fit assembly of the components for your oak frame, including draw boring and pegging, before the components are all labelled and safely packaged for transport before bringing to your site. On site, we erect your oak frame and undertake all other aspects of your superstructure, including any brickwork, roof carcass and roof tiling. And we work closely with SIPS panel installers where appropriate. Meanwhile, in our joinery workshop, we will manufacture your hardwood timber windows and doors, supplying them to your project glazed, fully factory finished in a paint colour of your choice, and with Part Q certification, which is a must for all new build or change of use projects. We regularly assist our clients with staircases, kitchens, built-in wardrobes and libraries, but we are happy to assist on any bespoke commission. Using our in-house joinery workshop allows you to influence the design of all the joinery features of your project, while we will provide advice to make sure that all the joinery works together to give you the best and most cohesive aesthetic finish. At Oak Country Buildings, we can manage all stages of your project, including the selection and installation of sanitary ware, ceramic tiling, decoration and floor finishes, so that everything is finished ahead of your move-in date. Oak Country Buildings and Oak Country Joinery, your oak frame project.